Why?
Go round and scare.
That's what the princess did when she was dancing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go
What
this-
else? What else do you have? What story do you have? Tell mommy more.
And Elsa.
Okay. What happened to the story about Elsa?
That's the time Elsa the room. Elsa with a dancer. What for the high hours. Then with a carousel with makeup sheep and makeup dancing.
Dancing? What else did they do?
Maybe drive cars, Mom.
Okay.
Maybe raining.
And then what happened to Elsa?
Fall down at the boo boo.
Oh no. And what happened to her? To her palace?
I go to the hospital.
Si Elsa?
Yeah.
Oh no. And then her castle. What happened to her castle?
It's broken.
It's broken. Okay, how about Anna?
I'm not sick.
What is their song, Gani? Can you sing it for me?
Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I want you are. Up a diamond in the sky.
Wow.
Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I want you are.
Yay! Another
Up a
song.
diamond
In the sky.
Done, Mom.
Another song. What do you think?
I am playing like Elsa.
Oh,
Wolf.
I let it
Anna?
go. Let it go.
Let go. Let go.
Can't hold it back anymore. Next. Let it go.
And sing, Mom.
Okay, what else? What song do you want to sing?
The one. Elsa. Wolf.
Olaf,
Sven.
Sven, and Kristoff, and Anna.
What's the time? I know the stuff were dancing together. This sing along. Anna's birthday and Elsa's birthday and Ola's birthday and Gustav's birthday.
Okay, say goodnight to the video. Good night.
Night. Bye bye. See you later. Thank you. Welcome.
Welcome.